Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a Phillips screwdriver, unscrew the 5 holding screws on the airbox flange. Remove the breather hose. Lift the flange cover. Take out the filter. Before putting the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. Put the cover back on, taking care to place the spurs into the right places. Put the breather hose back in place. Using the Phillips screwdriver, rescrew all the holding screws. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.